So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Ma Victoria Breeze. Today, I found out I had 2 carrots and it was been a long time already in the fridge, so thinking that I can use it as a carrot cake. So now this is the only ingredients that we had. 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of veg oil, 3 eggs, 2 medium-sized carrots, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 2 cups of plain flour. So I will start it with the egg. With the eggs, next will be the sugar and the oil. So mix it thoroughly. Let the sugar dissolve, and we will put the carrots. Carrots is there already, mixed with the egg, oil, sugar, and then we will put slowly the flour in here. After mixing the flour, and then now I will just put this leftover macarons to mix in the carrots. So guys, our baked carrot cake is done and looks, smell yummy and nice, very nice. So guys, I will cut it now so my husband can taste it. So guys, it's really yummy. There is a purple because of macarons inside. That's guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Don't forget to click the bell button so you'll be notified in my next video. Thank you once again, and bye.